Wild Canada Kids! Goodness, George is scared of spiders. Oh dear, George is covered in mud. George is waiting for his friend Panda. Panda is going to surprise George. George doesn't like the surprise. Ouch! George got bit. George likes the volcano. Except when it gets angry. George is afraid of the dark when he is alone. It's a scary horned lizard and moray eel. George loves sunny days. He doesn't like thunderstorms. George is waiting for Peppa at the pyramids. Oh dear, George doesn't like the dinosaur mummies. George loves the jellyfish at the aquarium. He doesn't like the scary sharks. George likes the jungle. Except for gigantic snakes. Look out, George. That is a really spooky house. Wild Canada Kids!
Hey, buddies. Look! Play-Doh George Pig is crying! Oh, dear. George is very upset. Why is George crying so many tears? Is it because he dropped his Play-Doh ice cream? I know just the thing to cheer up George. Let's make George a new ice cream cone. Here you are, George.
Bingo, bang!
Alakazam!
Dude!
Did you two just try to use exclamatory catchphrases?
You guys are always doing them, so we thought, why not try it?
But like, dude, that's our thing.
Jesus, you guys are the hot ones. We're the awkward ones. Our catchphrases are all we have.
Yeah, and bingo bango, alakazam. Come on, man.
Leave it to the pros.
We can come up with something better. I don't know. Yankee!
Zoinks! Gunky bunky!
Daddy issues!
Daff, did you just yell daddy issues?
I've got an improv, okay? It's the old town spook, Janky!
Bazinga! No, that's the Big Bang Theory. Daphne! No!
Those two should really just stick to being hot.
Thanks for throwing me a welcoming party, Count. I've never been to a party hosted by a vampire before.
I do it for all the newcomers, Alex. After tonight, I guarantee you'll be one of us.
I guess when our show's guests include Katy Perry and Ice-T, it's a slippery slope. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey, Grover! Hi, Snuffy! Oh no! The Count! He turned you all into the undead!
If you assumed I was a vampire in every other way but that, then I count one. One moron.
Oh no! Oh, nice character intro! How long you been waiting here watching me shit myself?
Get him!
S is for severed. Flawless built-in defense system.
Wait, what are you doing?
I see one dead mother. Oh my goodness, there's not a speck of blood on you. What, do you keep a pack of handy wipes in that flat jacket?
No, just this.
1, 2.
Stop counting!
That was a play-by-play. I just pissed and shit in my own pants.
Wow, so I guess if you've hunted all the way to Sesame Street, you must have gotten every vampire in the world.
Not quite.
Who wants some of my Count Chocula cereal? Which, if looked at from a very specific point of view, is a nutritious part of this balanced breakfast. You!
I'm not going to touch anything. If you're uncomfortable, just let me know. I'm going to get in every crevice. You are free to go.
The morning commuter's looking smooth at the crisscross crash interchange. Whoops, no, folks, a slight fender bender in the number 4 lane. I suggest an alternate route.
Grandpa, where's the delete key on this thing?
Oh, my goodness. Whoa, that's cool. I hate your entire generation.
My hedges! Shoo! Shoo! You get away from my hedges!
Sorry, guys. I'm just not feeling it today.
Wow, Jabberjaw. Maybe all our late-night gigs are getting to you.
What you need is a vacation!
But what about the band? We got gigs!
Don't worry, buddy. Take a few days, find a nice resort, and chill.
You aren't using this as an excuse to find another drummer, are you? Oh, boy. Relaxation. Here I come. Hey, friend, can you tell me? Hey, not even a Shockley hello? No respect. No respect at all. Ooh, free chum. Don't mind if I do. Hello, a go-go dancer in a cage. Good thing I brought plenty of singles. Oh, no, he's trapped. Never fear. Jabberjaw's here. Not even a thank you? I tell you, I get no respect.
That's a 20-footer. 25! 3 tons of... No, wait, he appears to be 15 feet at best. My mistake.
Hey, what's the big idea shooting barrels at... Oh, no, look out!
Ah, Shark BJ!
No way! I'm straight! Oh, dear, he's not moving, is he? Uh-oh, I'll get the chair for this for sure. Unless... No witnesses!
Smile, you son of a...
That shark left a shit ton of singles.
It's weird how Jabberjaw never came back. Should we look for him?
What? No, he was a crappy drummer anyway. Count us off, Bruce.